Hello, friends.
Do you want to sound polite and confident this Christmas?
Today, you will learn easy Christmas greetings in English.
Let's learn together.
Hi, Henry.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
Henry, Christmas 2025 is coming.
Yes, Christmas is very close now. Coming means it will happen soon.
At Christmas, people greet each other.
Yes, greetings are very important. Greet means say kind words to someone.
Henry, what is the most common greeting?
The most common greeting is Merry Christmas. Merry means happy.
Let's repeat it slowly.
Merry Christmas.
Again.
Merry Christmas.
Very good.
Easy English.
Henry, what greeting is also correct?
People also say Happy Christmas. Both greetings are correct.
Repeat it.
Happy Christmas.
Henry, what greeting sounds polite and warm?
Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Wishing means hoping good things for someone.
Let's repeat.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Very nice. Henry, what greeting can we use before Christmas Day?
We say Merry Christmas in advance. In advance means before the day.
Repeat it slowly.
Merry Christmas in advance.
Henry, what greeting can we say to people we do not know well?
We can say Merry Christmas to you. This is polite and respectful.
Repeat it.
Merry Christmas to you.
Henry, what about greeting many people?
We say Merry Christmas, everyone. Everyone means all people.
Good sentence.
Yes.
Henry, some people like short greetings.
Yes, they say Have a Merry Christmas. Have means enjoy.
Repeat it.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Henry, what greeting is common in messages?
Merry Christmas and best wishes. Best wishes means good hopes.
That sounds polite.
Yes, very polite.
Henry, what if someone greets you first? I say, thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
To means also.
Let's repeat it.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Henry, what greeting sounds formal?
Season's greetings. Season means holiday time.
Repeat it.
Season's greetings.
Henry, is it okay for work or emails?
Yes, it is good for work and messages. Formal English is polite English.
Henry, let's practice a small conversation.
Okay.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, Emma.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
Best wishes for Christmas 2025.
Thank you very much. This is a natural greeting talk.
Very easy and friendly.
Yes, very simple English.
Henry, let's repeat important greetings.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Great job.
Practice these greetings every day.
Henry, greetings make people happy.
Yes, kind words are very powerful. Kind means nice and caring.
Henry, anyone can use these greetings.
Yes, children and adults can use them.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you feel confident now.
Please subscribe to our channel Mastery in English.
Like this video if it helped you.
Comment your favorite Christmas greeting.
Merry Christmas.
See you next time.